Welcome to this tutorial on how to configure Monday.com board settings. Monday.com is a powerful work operating system that allows teams to manage projects and workflows in a flexible and customizable way. To get the most out of Monday.com, it is essential to understand how to set up and configure your board settings. First, let's start with the basics. A board in Monday.com is a visual representation of your workflow, and it is made up of different components such as groups, items, and columns. To access the board settings, click on the three dots at the top right corner of your board and select Board Settings. In the board settings, you can configure various options such as the board name, description, and permissions. You can also add or remove columns, groups, and items, and customize the layout of your board. To add a new column, click on the Add Column button and select the type of column you want to add, such as a text column, a number column, or a date column. One of the key concepts in Monday.com is the idea of a pulse, which represents a single item or task on your board. You can customize the pulse settings to determine what information is displayed on each pulse, such as the item name, description, and due date. You can also add custom fields to your pulses to track additional information. Another important aspect of board settings is permissions. You can control who can view, edit, or delete items on your board by setting permissions for different users or teams. This ensures that sensitive information is only accessible to authorized personnel. To get the most out of your Monday.com board, it is essential to establish clear workflows and automation rules. You can use automation recipes to automate repetitive tasks, such as assigning tasks to team members or sending notifications when a deadline is approaching. Best practices for configuring Monday.com board settings include keeping your board organized and clutter-free, using clear and descriptive column names, and establishing consistent workflows and automation rules. It is also essential to regularly review and update your board settings to ensure that they remain relevant and effective. In conclusion, configuring Monday.com board settings is a straightforward process that requires some planning and attention to detail. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you can create a customized board that meets the needs of your team and helps you to manage your workflows and projects more efficiently.